morning, dear students. We have a few pages of our textbook which is related to skip counting. So today we are going to cover up those pages. If you have the book, you can do them and practice them. If you don't have the book, please do not worry. Whenever you are going to purchase the book, do them as practice. And also, you can cross-check the work with this tutorial. So, you also have a record of the answers. So, counting in tens. Whenever we count in 10, what happens? We add 10 to the next number, or there is a difference. The digit at tens place increases by 1. Either we add 10 to the number to get the next number, or the digit at the tens place, it will be increasing by 1. So both are same. Let us do this. So as you can see, I have already got the answers here. So we can just tally them. 10, 20, 30. Then after 30 what will come? 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Let's go on to the next line. 110. After 110 what comes? 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180 and 190 is already given, and 200, they are already given. Let's do the next line. 310. So 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390 and 400, which is already given. Let's do this counting. The number is 720, but we need to write a number before also. So that means 720 minus 10 will be 710. So it is here. 710, 720, 730, 740, 750, 760, 770, 780, 790 and 800. Hope you have understood this concept. Let's move on to the next question. Counting in 50. That means either we are adding 50 to the given number, or tens place is increased by 5. So let us write 200, 250, 300, 350. See, can you make out 200, 250, 300, 350? So what will be the next one? It is here. 400, 450 and 500. It is like this. Next, after 500 what will come? 550, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800, 850. Let's read the next question. The next question says, how far can you go like this? So listen children, this is very important thing, that if I say how many numbers are there is no limit to the numbers. The numbers are infinite. Okay, so There is no limit to the numbers. We can go to infinite. Next question is, what is the biggest number you can call out? So, biggest number, I say 679405321 xy. So 1 2 3. So this is, there is no end again. You can speak, you can try and speak, making a biggest number as possible. This is such a nice thing, how free the animals are when they are in their jungle. Now, this is a story of these friends, the jumping animals. You know, a deer or a bunny or a frog, they are the animals who hops and moves forward. So, Gabru the deer, Bunny the rabbit, and Taru the frog, they all are jumping now, and they have a number snake with them. So Gabru, Bunny and Taru are jumping all the way. Gabru jumps on every 7th box. That means right now Gabru is standing at 90 number. 7th box means 7 boxes from 90. That means 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96 and 97. So 7 box from 90. Now Bunny on every 5th box. So Bunny takes a smaller jump which is on every 5th box. So now if he is on 99 and 5 boxes from 99 will be 100, 101, 102, 103 and 104. Now when he is going to take next jump, he will start from 104. Okay, now Taru on every 4 box. Now the Taru is taking much smaller jumps and right now he is at 106. So 4 jumps from 4 boxes from here, 107, 108, 109 and 110. Gabru starts a jump from 90 as discussed earlier. Bunny starts a jump from 99 and Taru starts the jump from 106. Let's see what do we have to do now. This is the number snake, as you all can see. Hee hee, all these jumping is tickling me. So when they are jumping on the number snake, he is laughing. Now the first question is, Bunny's 10th jump is on which number? Bunny's 10th jump. 10th jump means what will be the next number which is after his 10th jump. So here he's, let's see here. Here he is at 99 and Bunny takes the jump of 5 boxes. So 99 plus 5 boxes is 104. Similarly, we are going to keep on adding 5 till the 10th jump is over. And how do we jump? Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So what we are going to do? We are going to calculate like this. And for every number, to get the next consecutive number, we are going to add 5 to it. So 104 and then 5 number jump is 105. then 109, 114, 119, 124, 129, 134, 139, 144 and 149. So this is how the jump will be. Now next question is Taru's 10th jump will be on which number? Now we have to find out for Taru's. So Taru was on 106 and he skips 4 numbers and then he moves on to the next. So we are going to add. Again we are going to see that there are 10 jumps here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So from 106, by adding 4 10 times, he is going to reach 146. Gabru's 10th jump will be on which number? Let us see which number. Gabru is taking a jump of 7 numbers. So 90 plus 7 is 97. Similarly, after 10 jumps, he will reach 160. Now look here. Although Gabru is starting from a lesser number, still he is reaching a higher number because we are adding 7 to it. So this is skip counting by 7, this is skip counting by 4 and this is skip counting by 5. Hope you have understood this. Let us move on to the next question. Taru and Bunny jump on numbers dash dash dash. Now you already know which all numbers Taru and Bunny are jumping. Taru and Bunny are jumping. Is there any number where all 3 are at the same jump? They are doing the same number jump. So let us see for Bunny and Gabru. So Bunny and Gabru are reaching the numbers 104 and 139. They both are similar on this number. They both are similar on this number. And when they all are going together, that number will be 175. They all are going to jump at one number which is same for all of them. That will be 175. Okay, now this is a guesswork for you, that you have to guess who will finish in the least jump and how many jumps. Are you sure you will be able to do that? Let us see. रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं हो रही थी. Let's read out this question. Gabru and Bunny both jump on number 104 dash and dash. That means which 2 more numbers they are going to jump. And it won't be a together jump, but they both will come on these numbers. So let's look here. Bunny, when we are seeing Bunny's jump, he is coming at 104 and 139, similar to Gabru's jump. So at 104 they both are going to jump, and at 139 they are also going to jump. Similarly, after their jumps, they are also going to jump on 174, which becomes a common number for them. So this is the answer for them. The answer is 139 and 174. Now let us go on to the next question. Taru and Bunny jump on which all numbers? Now we are going to find out in the similar way that when we see their jumps, Taru and Bunny are jumping at 114, which is common to both of them. 134 is common to both of them, and as we will go further, 154 and 174 will be common to both of them. So what we are going to fill here? 114, 134, 154 and 174. Is there any number where all three of them jump? Yes, if you can observe, 174 is common here, and in the previous one also, see, 174 is common here. So this number is 174. Guess who will finish in the least jump? That we all can imagine and find out also, that Gabru will finish in the least jump, which is 12 jumps. Let us go on, and we are going to do this class jump. Class jump, all of us like jumping in the class, hopping and enjoying all throughout the day. So this is what the class jump is. You have already done jump by 2 in your class 2. So jump, step forward and backward. We have already discussed forward and backward. Forward means आगे जाना, backward means पीछे जाना है. So we have also done jump by 10, which is actually skip counting by 10, forward and backward. So let us try to do these questions. Here the number we are going first forward. So jump by 2 step, that means it is a skip counting by 2. It is a skip counting by 2. So 104 and 2 is 106. 106 and 8 is 106 and 2 is 108. Now 108 and 2 more steps will be 110. Then 110 and 2 steps will be 112. 112 and 2 more steps will be 114. And 116 will be the next one. Now let us do 2-step backward counting. Now for backward counting, what have I told you? Look at the digit at ones place. So digit at ones place, when we see that, so what will happen? This number will become 256, 200, then 254, 252 and 250. Now let us do skip counting by 10 in the forward direction. So 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, like this here, 160, 170. So this will be your answer. Let us do 10 step backward. Let us go backward. 200, 210, sorry, 200, 190, 180, then 170, 160, 150, 140. So these are a few patterns. Let us do these patterns. Continue the pattern. We have been doing pattern from all the class 2, class 1, and they are very important for us. Let us understand which pattern is this. This is a forward 550, 560. So it is a count by 10. So 550, 560, 570. What will be the next one? 580. Like this. Let us look here on the slide. 580, 590, 600, 610. Now what about this one? 910, 920, 930, 940. So again this is a forward count by 10. So what all will be the next one? 950, 960, 970 and 980. Let's see what is in the next one. I could make out 209. Now it is a backward counting because the last digit has become 7 and backward counting by 2. 209, 207, 205. 205 backward count by 2, 203. Then 201, 199, 197. Next we have 401, 402, 403. So what will be the next one? 404, 405, 406 and 407. This is how we do the patterns of numbers. So this is number pattern. Remember we did in our chapter 1 also. It is just using 3 digits. Earlier we did with 2 digits.